Minefield. Treasure turn it this way. Okay, it's now that way. Sideways. I mean, upside down. Cool. Holding upside down does work.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much.
Paint this, whatever, we won't finish it. Just do as far as you can.
Yeah. This bottom edge all along the bottom there I want to do. So do you want to jump out of the way a little bit?
But can you do that wall? So
Yeah, okay, that makes sense too. Alright, this is...
And you should wear your face mask too, I think. Or not, I don't care.
We'll see how we go.
You want me to hold your hose?
Oh, do I?
No, seriously, do you want me to?
It is the most annoying bit. Alright. I think I should try to roll it up or something. Yeah, I guess I can hold it. Alright. It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. No, not every wall. One wall at a time.
One more, this wall.
And again, the ceiling should have been done first, but whatever.
No one touch it. It's from under the
Heater.
radiator.
Maybe the piece on the wall you can take off. If you do it that way, you have to go on the edges because it almost never touches it.
Okay.
Do a big circle in the edges. Thank you.
Alright.
It's almost
We
empty.
might get lucky.
Alright.
Well, if it's almost empty, I'll do the bottom first.
Yeah.
I'd like to do this bottom of the stairs one more time. Oh, and I didn't do that top bit.
Oops.
I didn't do the top step. The only bad thing. That was bad. Get it! Randy. Done.
I think that was already water by now.
Yeah, I agree. But still fun.
Alright, ooh, it's
Okay.
wet.
It's time.
So that's how you clean the...
Alright, so the final part of painting, I think we did a pretty good job with what we had. Sometimes painting too quickly, sometimes painting too slowly. But in the end it all got painted. When it's dry, it should look more even. That's the main thing.